What is up, you guys? It is me, your favorite girl, Stephanie Shanell, and welcome back to my channel. She just let me know, but they show no fish. Didn't say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. Didn't say you found it, but she doesn't want. I have a really amazing video. So if you guys remember, I was a part of the Scent Sister Summer Soiree. Okay. If you haven't checked it out, please go ahead and check out my video. I do believe that Vania McKell, I believe she has a playlist of all of the videos. I'm going to see if I can copy that link and like add it somewhere here. But if I cannot do so, head over to her channel and you can definitely find all the videos there. And I want to give a big shout out to all of you that have watched the video, commented on the video, thumbs up my video, and also subscribed. Like, hey y'all, what's up? We have gained quite a few new subscribers, and so what's up, y'all? Now the intro is kind of long, so let's just go into it. The reason why I mentioned that video is because Miss Vicky, or Miss Plain, why did I say it? Just Plain Jane. Gifted me a $25 gift card to Jahzara's Kouture. Y'all, I'm so excited. But remember in the video I said, girl, that thing is spent. Well, I got my package in the mail yesterday. But I do want to quickly show you guys how they do have a caution sticker. And it does say, hurry up and bring me inside. I carry items that may melt in the heat. So I do love that. That's very thoughtful for them to add that there. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into our package. This is what the packaging looks like. Love, 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 love. Let's do our unboxing. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. Ta-da! This is so, oh my gosh. First of all, I love this picture. First of all, I love this picture. Okay, can you stop? This is so nice. And whoever's skin this is, like, dang, that skin is skinning. All right, so this says Jahzara's Kouture, say hello to healthy skin because smooth, hydrated, clear skin, because smooth, hydrated, clear skin is for everyone. Yes, it is. Nourishing, moisturizing, soothing, luxurious, glowy. Honey, and look at this picture. No lies. And then I love the fact that she has these little stickers and it has Jahzara's Kouture on it. This was a very thoughtful package. Like, her packaging is very intentional and I love that. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna start off with is this. Let me see what it is. I don't even know what it is that I ordered. Okay, so this is, what is this? Okay, so I ordered a 2-ounce body butter in the scent Pink Silk. So this is the 2-ounce body butter. I don't know how much anything was, you guys. I wasn't looking at prices. All I know is I used a gift card. And then the ingredients are right here on the bottom. So the ingredients are very simple: shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, aloe butter, vitamin E oil, and grade A fragrance essential oils. And it says rub into wet or dry skin daily. Add more as needed throughout the day. So we're going to open it up. Oh, that is professionalism. She has the heat seal, so it does come sealed. Oh, I love this. I don't even know what the fragrance notes are for Pink Silk. I'm going to look for it and put it on the side here. But to me, this kind of is giving pink sugar, but in a more grown-up way. Oh, this smells so good. Let me see if I can get a texture shot. Let's feel it. Okay, yeah, I like the texture of her butter too. So the texture of her butter is really, really beautiful. It's not super soft, but it's also not extremely firm. But this is really nice, you guys. I love this. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, this feels so good. And the scent is very pleasant.
Like the scent is actually like scenting for real. Oh, I love this. This kind of reminds me of Pink Sugar from Goddess of the Sea Beauty, because it's like almost pink sugar without that licorice kind of scent, and it just has this a more grown up scent to it. It's almost like a warm pink sugar. Yes, I love this. I am so glad that I got this. And look how it just like rubs into the skin. This is nice. And it doesn't leave you feeling like greasy. I love that. You just feel moisturized. For comparison, this has nothing on it and this has the butter on it. So I love that. And then the next thing that I ordered was, what's this? Okay, so I think these are samples. So I'm going to go over the samples last. Okay, so this is the next thing that I ordered. Love the bubble wrap. Oh my God. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, yes. And I did order the pink silk body mist or the body spray. Okay, so the notes here. Oh, something got on here. It smells like it might have leaked a little bit, but that's okay. So the notes are sweet vanilla, jasmine, warm sugar, and musk. Oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna spray it right on top. Okay, so not gonna lie, the body mist is not my favorite version of pink silk. I think that I prefer it in the body butter. However, they do smell similar, but there's something about the base. I'm pretty sure it's the base that she uses to like make the body mist, because I've noticed this from other companies. It has like a little bit of a scent already to it. So when you add the fragrance to it, it kind of just is like the scent of the base plus the fragrance. It's not bad. It's just it kind of alters the scent. But together, y'all, this is strong. Like I feel like I smell like I have on a perfume right now just with the two of these. So I'm not gonna lie, I love that. So the last thing that I ordered, and then we'll get into the samples. I ordered, oh, this label is cute. Oh my God. Okay, so I ordered a 4-ounce mango papaya nourishing body oil. This label is cute, girl. And I do want to point out, because you guys know, and if you don't know, I am the founder and creator of Stephanie's Touch Natural Skin Creations. And I do also have a nourishing body oil. But you see how hers is clear? Mine is not like that. Mine is a shea butter oil that is made with actual shea butter, not the oil. So mine does have like a little bit of a cloudy texture to it, which is why I opted. Hold on. You can't take me nowhere because I really don't know how to act. Oh my God. But yeah, I love that hers runs clear. So you could tell that this is gonna be like a lighter oil, which I do like. We're not here to talk about why I do what I do with my oil, but I just wanted to point out the difference that you can tell that this is a very lightweight oil. Mine is more of a creamy, it almost is like a substitute for butter. Honestly, like you can do either or. This one, it looks like you could have no problem layering this with a butter. Mine as well, but this you can tell is very lightweight. I could tell just from looking at it that this is a lightweight oil. And she has the directions on here, and the ingredients are beautiful. She has sunflower oil, apricot oil, rice bran oil, avocado oil. So I love the fact that she puts preservative in her oil. It's not necessary, but it's just like an extra precaution. So that is actually really cool. So hold on, because she had the protection on the other one. See? Look at that. Like, you're not going to get spillage here. That is, oh. 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 Hold on. Let me put this back. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see. Little drip, drip, little drip, drip. Like 1, 2. There we go. A little drip, drip. Yeah, it's a very lightweight oil, but it feels really nice to the skin. But it is, whew, The scent of this is knocking your girl out. I actually needed this morning. I should have went and got my, look at that. Can y'all see that? I am moisturized. That oil is nice. This is a very nice oil, but the scent, y'all, this smells really fruity and like extremely tropical. I have a Tarte Mangosteen body butter that you probably would have seen if you watched Just Plain Jane's Scent Sister Summer Soiree. And this kind of reminds me of that. But this smells good. And the coconut lover in me wants to pair this with Caid Al Fasan, the unlimited one, the white bottle. I want to pair it with this so bad because I just know that this is going to be a match made in heaven. So last but not least, you guys, we got some samples. So I want to start off with this because the butter I'm starting to love. So this is called Mango in Bloom. Ooh, Mango in Bloom. What the heck would that smell like? Oh, okay, let's find out. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, butter. The butter did not melt. This almost kind of looks like, oh, it's a body cream. Okay. I'm like, this kind of looks like a body cream. And it is. It says it right there. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this is thick. It's like, oh, she thick. Because I'm pushing into it. And it's like, oh, wait a minute. Okay. Oh, this is going to be so nice. I'm going to put it on my arm because everywhere else has something. Okay. Let's feel the texture. Let's feel it. Let's feel it. Oh, y'all, this is thick. Oh, ooh, but this smells so good. It almost smells like something that I would wear, like a body wash or like a fruity kind of shampoo. You know how those shampoos have like this fruity, slightly floral kind of scent? But this is nice and it's soft. Oh, y'all, but this feels so good on the skin. I'm not gonna lie. This feels nice. And it does give you a little sheen. There is some moisture in there. Okay. Okay. I like this. Mango in Bloom. But it is thick. But then once you put it on your skin, it's almost like weightless. And then we do have her business card in here as well. Girl, do you print your stuff off by yourself? Because that is a lot of ink. Oh my gosh, these are cute though. These are really, really cute. And then we have 2 perfume samples. So we have, oh, this is a cologne. Okay, so we have Irresistible, that's a cologne, and we have Dream, that's a perfume. So we're gonna smell both. I'm just gonna rip a little piece of this tissue paper because although, do I have, girl, we're gonna use what we got right here. So I'm gonna do Irresistible first because this is a cologne, and if I like this, I will be giving it to my husband and making him wear it, or maybe keeping it for myself. Oh, no, this is for my man. Oh, this is for my man, my man, my man. Oh, this is nice. What are the notes? I wish I had the notes. Oh, I like this. It's like a floral, slightly aquatic, maybe. I'm terrible at men's cologne. I just want y'all to know that. This is a woody scent. I want to go out and say that this is probably a sandalwood. This is like a sandalwood. This is nice, you guys. Like, this is a really nice scent for a guy. This is really, really nice. I'm going to give this to my husband. I think he's going to like that. He's not big into fragrance, but when we're going out, he does enjoy wearing fragrances. So then this one is Dream and this one is a perfume. Ooh, let's see. With the name Dream, I'm thinking maybe something lavender, soft, fluffy, kind of airy. I like this atomizer. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Ooh, that's sweet. Ooh, that's sweet. That's sweet. That's sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh, do you know what? This smells like a perfume that I've had before. I can't think of it. It's giving me like a celebrity fragrance. Oh, this smells so nice though. But it's sweet. It's like a sweet, like a grown-up sweet. Oh, this smells so pretty. Oh my gosh. I know I'm not giving you guys any kind of descriptions. I'm just saying, oh, it's sweet. I'm smelling it trying to like remember the perfume that this smells like. Okay, let me see if I spray it on my skin. Would it be different? It smells good though. This almost reminds me of Taylor Swift's Wonderstruck. Oh, if you like that Taylor Swift perfume, if you're a Swiftie, then this is a vibe. That is the end of my video. We have opened all of our goodies. Hey guys! Look at that. Yes! Subscribe to the channel. Like. Right. Good job. All right, you guys. So sorry for the background noise. That is baby girl, and she is here with her iPad. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Drop your comments down below. Smash the subscribe button while you're at it. Click the notification bell. That way you never miss another video from me, your favorite girl, Stephanie Shanell. Also, don't forget to check out Jahzara's Kouture. I will have the company linked down below. I love y'all so very much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in another one. Peace.